Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you why can't you add your debit or credit card to your PayPal account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, I will just show you some of the reasons and some of the things that you should correct if you are having that kind of issues. As you can see, I'm on the PayPal's official website, and here in the trending topics, we just have this: why can't I link my credit debit card to my PayPal account, which differs for business and for personals. As long you can just simply switch to it, but most of the solution and problems will be kind of same. So we'll go to for personal, and you can see if you have receiving those kind of errors could be from your different billing address. Now I would not be explaining why, but I will let's go to the what to do. You can check your card statement, ensure both addresses match, and if it does not, correct it. Now if that doesn't help, you can go to this authorization charge declined. You can contact your card issuer to find out why the authorization from PayPal was rejected. If you have added correct information and authorization is giving you the issue, then simply contact the PayPal for them to correct the problem. It's not from your side. And the other third option could be limit of cards in account reached. Maybe you have added enough cards already, and maybe if it's the extra card that is not in the limit anymore, that's why it could happen. So it says 24 cards is the limit. If it's 25th, it won't be linked. And you can say you can link 4 cards to your unverified PayPal account. If it's unverified PayPal account, you can only link 4 cards. If it's the 5th one, you cannot. So make sure to check on it. And then you can see card linked to another PayPal account. If in case your card is linked to another PayPal account, you won't be able to link it as well. And wrong CSC code as well. Now these are the things that you have to look after, but if all of those things doesn't work out and does not help you, you always have option of contacting the PayPal itself. Go ahead, contact them, let them know your worry, and they will simply solve it out for you. So hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.